In reference to why would a student choose this program gives you doors to opportunity. It's a challenging career. It's a place where we need leaders. It's a place where you can pick and choose what you want to do as your career develops. The person that's in this career will have to deal with government. They will have to deal with the environment. They will have to deal with the banks. They'll have to deal with engineers. They'll have to deal with architects. All of this takes leaders. All of this takes people that want to be in charge, people with organizational skills. The money that you can make out of this thing is limited to you. It's not something there that's going to happen overnight. It's hard work, but it's a challenging, rewarding career. And if you're the type of person who really likes a challenge, this is something that you can consider. We are the brain end of the construction industry. We're the white-collar end of the construction industry. Someone has to handle the money. Someone has to handle the schedules and the budget. So if you're that type of person, then this is something there that you should consider. But remember, this is challenging, but it's also a lot of hard work, but it has great rewards at the end of it. The construction industry is good for a few, but not for everyone. So if you want to be in the management end of something that's going to be here forever, that has always been here, the construction management industry may be a place for you.